All right, Haley. We just got through 1 and 2 on Friday, and so out of the chapter 3 review, we have this is the answer that we got to number 1. So you're finding dy dx. The only weird thing on number 1 is that you have to do the product rule for the 3xy. This guy. You have to do the product rule. And so we ended up solving for dy dx, and we got that as an answer. So you can pause and go through that if you want to look. Number 2, you also have a product rule right here. And we separated that into those 2 parts. And then we got, like, this as an answer. Or we said if you divided by 3 on everything, then you got this as an answer. So that's where we left off. So starting with number two. The second number 2, which is actually number 3. We have 2 number 2s. Okay? And this one should be easier than 1 and 2 because why? Why is it easier? You don't have to do the product rule. Okay? So derivative of x squared, 2x, derivative of y squared, 2y, dy dx. Yep. Derivative of 100
equals
0. Then I'm going to bump him over. So 2y dy dx equals negative 2x, and then divide by 2y. And what you can do is you can delete the 2's out if you want. So dy dx negative x over y. You betcha. That's what your derivative is. Good? Happy with that?
Yeah.
All right, number 4. This is y to the 1/2 power. I'm going to rewrite him like that before we take the derivative. Now we use like just the power rule. 1/2 y to the negative half dy dx. Okay. I'm going to give you guys a sheet eventually here. I'll try to get that done sometime soon. That has the derivative of all these on them. So cosine is the derivative of sine equals 0. 0.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah.
I did that wrong,
Now this guy right here, y to the negative 1/2 power, means I put him to the bottom. So if I put him underneath with the 2, he's now to the positive 1/2 power, which means he is the square root of y. Do you see how that works? Okay, I bumped him to the bottom, and now he's a square root. Then I have dy dx. And then I'm going to add the cosine. I'm going to add the cosine over. Gosh dang it. Why is he not going? Add the cosine over. So equals positive cosine x. Do you see what I just did?
Yes.
Okay. Then you want to divide by that, or I could multiply by 2 square roots of y over 1, right? Times 2 square roots of y over 1. Which means that I can put that out in front, and I have dy dx is equal to, I'm going to do 2 square roots of y times cosine of x. I'm going to write him like that. Will that work? If you write him differently than that, he's probably not wrong. I just put him in that order. Okay? Good? Happy with that?
Almost.
So, a couple product rules on the top. The last 2 were just like find the derivative of this guy. Got it? What? So, okay. All right, are we ready for 5? Do you want to try 5 on your own?
I did 5, but I
Okay,
don't think
let's look at the difference between 5 and 6. Let's take us back to this because it's been a hot minute since we've done these. Number 5 is just wanting the slope of the tangent line, and number 6 is wanting the whole equation of the tangent line, okay? What's an equation of a tangent line? Y equals mx plus b, okay? So here they're just wanting m. The other one they're wanting y equals mx plus b, okay? Why don't you try? You try going through, find the derivative, and plug your point in. Do that real quick.
Y equals mx plus b. Oh no.
Okay.
Find the derivative.
Can you remind me of how to do the 7?
Number 7.
Yeah, I did 5 and 6.
Logs. Derivative of logs is 1 over whatever that is times the derivative of this. That's what log is, or ln. Yeah?
Or ln, does it matter?
What?
ln and log are the same.
Log, I think, is a touch different because he has a different formula we'll have to look up. It's like 1 over ln of b times u and whatever it is. Yeah, something like that. So anyway,
Okay.
you're confuzzled.
Okay, so let's figure that out.
You're confuzzled. On 5? You're confuzzled on 5? 2y dy dx.
I got that.
What's the derivative of minus 1 plus 0 equals 0? So this is gone.
Okay, I got that.
Okay, then what?
Yeah, that's my question. That's why I was confused.
dy dx, 2 dy dx,
Do we add the
2y
one
dy.
over?
You add the 1 over, okay, and then
Divide by 2.
divide by 2y. So your derivative is 1 over 2y. Normally our derivative has an x in it, but in this case we only have a y. So dy dx, that's what your derivative is. That's the name of the derivative, dy dx. I'm wanting to find the actual number when I plug in 10, 3.
Just plug in 3.
You just plug in 3. We don't have any place to plug in 10.
So 1/6.
1/6 is your slope.
Got
Yeah.
it.
Does that make sense?
I got that one.
Yeah, you don't have a number. Yeah, do you see how that works?
Okay.
So
Okay.
do I
Yes,
say
ma'am.
m equals 1/6?
M equals, sure, M equals 1/6. The slope of your tangent line is 1/6. Awesome. Okay. All right, you try the next one. Solve for M and then find your B value after that. Okay, so do that one. Solve for M, find B.
Oh wait, is it the same?
Shoot.
Why did you use the same formula?
I'm sorry.
No, you're not.
Well, but 1/6 is a really ugly slope. I really wouldn't want to plug back into that.
What is it?
No, I wouldn't either.
I didn't get an ugly slope.
On no. I'm talking about like she said. Why can't we just use the same formula as number 5? I said because M is 1/6 and I don't want to plug in and find B if the M is 1/6, right?
Why
Yeah.
don't we just use that?
Ah,
It's fine. It's not a big deal.
It's fine. It's okay.
I'm complaining just the twins.
All right.
Sometimes you tend to do that.
I do tend to do that.
Why,
wait. What?
It's not that big.
Hey, we already did the derivative of this one though, didn't we? Yeah, we did.
Is equal to
That's pretty easy.
2x over
That's so
2y.
stupid.
Is it 2x over
If I get
2y?
it right, that's
There
gonna
you
make me angry.
Wait, hold on. We already found the derivative? Oh, yeah, we did.
Meh.
Different problem, yeah. And then we can get rid of the 2's.
Negative x over y.
Negative x
Four.
over y.
1 equals
1.
So negative 3
3x plus b.
is m.
Whoa, plug in 3 and negative 3 and 1.
Yeah.
So then
What are we doing in
1
trig today?
equals
2, 6?
3.
Y
Or
equals
2, 5?
2-5. Sorry,
Oh,
2-5.
you messed up.
I did not.
Yeah,
No, I
it
didn't.
equals 10, not 0.
Yeah, that's what she has.
That's 0.
Derivative of 10.
Nah.
You ding dong.
I just love it when people tell me I'm wrong and I'm not. It's my favorite.
I love it when we tell you you're wrong and you're actually wrong.
I know you do. I'm sure you do.
This morning you were like, confusing the I was so confused because I had 0.8 and I looked up and you had 0.4 and I was like,
Ah, yes, I know. I was wrong on that one.
because I was like doing it.
I've
on
just
my
seen
own.
if you're paying
I was
attention.
like doing it.
No, but like when you get
I'm
it
doing
wrong,
it
it's
on
not
my
like you're
own, and
actually
I look
doing
up
it
and
wrong,
like-
it's like that you wrote something down wrong.
I know.
And then it just messes
Yeah,
up the
messes
rest
up
of-
everything else.
yeah.
I hate that.
What makes me mad is when I think I'm right, but someone tells me that I'm wrong.
Uh-huh.
And it makes me a little upset. It's like, no, I know I'm right because this.
Because this,
Like in AMP today, AMP was making me a little mad because I was like, the
The
book says, and she's like, yes, the book says, it was the opposite of what I'm saying. No, the book, we are looking at the same book,
No.
the same spot on the same book. One of us is right, one of us is right.
All right, are you guys
Okay.
good on 5 and 6? We know the difference between find the slope and find the equation, right?
Got that.
Okay, 7. I'm going to eventually give you formulas for this. So if you are finding the derivative of, let's say, ln of u, sometimes they'll call it u instead, okay? The derivative of ln of u is 1 over u times u prime, right? Which a lot of times they'll have you write as just u prime over u, right? Like you'll lump this stuff on the top, okay? So number 7,
I don't know if I did
yeah,
that right.
number 7, 1 over the whole junk
So
times the derivative of that junk, which is,
3x squared plus 2.
that's it.
Yeah.
And so I do 3x squared plus 2 all over x cubed plus 2x minus 7. Okay? That's what my derivative is.
Yeah.
Okay? Good?
Okay, for 9 and 10, we won't be, like, we need to find.
We knew the formula for, yeah. I don't know the formula. Somebody have the formula? What?
Well, I mean, I have my notes, but I don't know.
Wait, what lesson is this
Grab
in?
them in all.
Because I can find my 3-1, my 3-2, my 3-3, and my 3-6. But my 3-4 and 3-5 have gone poof.
3, 4 is, we didn't do 3, 5.
3, 4 we should have, but 3, 5 we did not do.
Okay, hold on.
Where is my 3,
What was
4?
logs? What lesson?
Uh,
You know?
maybe
3, 3.
number 2 or 3.
Okay, 3, 4. 3, 3. Derivative of exponential and
Yes.
inverse trig.
No, it was 3, 2 there.
Oh, never mind.
Yep.
Wait,
Exponential is after.
I think I did something
I
wrong on it.
found you. I found it.
Okay, number 8. Boys, are you listening?
Yeah.
Okay, x to the 1/2 power, that's what he is to begin with, right? Okay?
Is it
guys.
X?
Oh,
Is it
guys.
2x?
Oh, guys.
He's
Oh,
one of
guys.
us.
1 over 2x.
1 over 2x.
Don't do that. Move the 1/2 down in front.
I
right?
did that.
Did you
I
do
did
that? I was getting ready to like, okay, 1 over the square root of x times what's the derivative of x? No, don't do that. Ha ha. Move the 1/2 down in front.
Oh yeah, but you get the same thing though.
Yeah, you're gonna get the same thing, but a lot easier, right?
I-
Right? The 1/2 down in
I did
front,
the
he goes like
Morse
this.
way.
Okay, what's the derivative? So if 1/2 goes down in front, what's the derivative of ln mx?
You did that, or you did the down way?
1 over x times 1/2, because he's already down in front, and so
I did the long way.
1 over 2x. Did you get 1 over 2x if you reduce? Yeah. See,
Okay.
look at that.
1/2.
Okay, hold on.
So exponent, go down in front. Okay, I need the formula for this one. I have to think.